Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Owen Hill, says that the parish limitation does not mean the football will stop with the few. Only 5 parishes are represented at the JPL, which means the highest league in the country is basically reserved for a few. Hill was speaking at the launch of the new season on Thursday.
Not to give away too much, but I'll tell you that it's not just the clubs and the spaces that the clubs are we'll be looking to play. So for example, there's no team in the Premier League who hails from St. Elizabeth, but we're looking to play games in St. Elizabeth.
And St. Elizabeth will not be the only parish without a Premier League team that could be involved in hosting matches.
We're looking about many other venues. One of the challenges is to ensure that the quality of the product stays consistent. So we're looking at fields across Jamaica. We're looking at opportunities to actually improve on facilities of that nature. And trust me, I tell you, we're looking to spread it across Jamaica so that every single part of the country, along with the corporate area, will get an opportunity to see good quality football.
Harbourview are defending champions, while there will be 2 newcomers in Falkland from St. James and Chapelton Maroons from Clarendon. Reggae Boy captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake has been nominated for the prestigious Landon Donovan MVP Award in the U.S. Major League Soccer after outstanding performances in the regular season. Blake, who plies his trade for Philadelphia Union, has been nominated for the award along with 4 others, including Mexican and former Manchester United star Chicharito, who plays for the LA Galaxy. Blake is the only goalkeeper nominated. The Landon Donovan MVP Award is an annual award for MLS players. It is voted on by media, MLS players and club management, and is given to the player deemed the most valuable player in the league each season. No Jamaican has ever won the award. And Blake, who topped the league in shutouts in the regular season with 15, is also nominated for Goalkeeper of the Year. He has previously won that award on 2 occasions, 2016 and 2020. 31-year-old Blake and the Philadelphia Union are into the MLS playoffs and are ranked number 1 in the Eastern Conference. Efforts are now being made by promoting company Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited to have overseas runners in the lineup for the richest ever race at Caymanas Park, the inaugural running of the Mute Mile on December 3. The event, which carries a purse of US $125,000 or just over 18 million Jamaican dollars, is an invitational race with eligibility based on stakes earnings throughout the year. The maximum field of 16 is expected to face the starter, with 4 of those slots assigned for overseas entries. A reserve list will also be in place in case any of the top 16 is forced to withdraw. SVREL is currently working out some logistics required to bring overseas horses into the island.
Jurisdictional quirkiness. Sometimes there are issues with horses traveling, and based on the tripartite arrangement with Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, horses coming from those territories have a different quarantine procedure. They only stay at the airport for 1 week, and then they can quarantine and train on our facilities. We have a quarantine ban that has been recently looked at and some upgrades done to facilitate that.
And that's where we leave the park for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Kalisha, back to you.